Hello everyone, and this is your daily dose of internet.
Hey Doug, what if, like, never mind.
I'm so excited to go waterboarding.
Hey Doug, nothing.
Oh, what is the difference?
Hey Doug. I'm sorry.
You insert a tip of the knife into a large, heavy potato. Look, it's barely holding it. Now, if I take a mallet and I hit the handle like this, what will happen? Will the potato drop? Let's check. Look, the blade went deeper and deeper through the potato.
So I've really been working on So anyways, I've been working.
Come on, Lola.
It's gonna sink.
You try.
Sighting entries. Locations impacted include Topeka, Rossville, St. Mary's, Silver Lake, Hoyt, Maple Hill, Emmett, Tavia, and Willard.
But you're just a pretty princess. Come here.
Let me show you why you can't measure the size of the sun based on taking a picture or video unless you're using a proper filter. There's the sun. That's how big it is. Looks a lot bigger until you put a filter on it.
Today's new.
3, 2, 1.
Hey!